Here's a speculative YouTube script for the *2026 Toyota Motorhome van based on industry trends, Toyota's design philosophy, and plausible innovations. Since official details are unavailable, this script will focus on hypothetical features and anticipated advancements in a natural, conversational tone, avoiding headings or production notes. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome van is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of recreational vehicles. Toyota's reputation for reliability and innovation is taking center stage with this model, which promises to blend cutting-edge technology with the practicality of a home on wheels. Early rumors suggest a modular design that allows owners to customize the interior layout for camping, remote work, or even small-scale adventure tours. Imagine a van that adapts to your needs at the touch of a button. Slide-out sections for extra sleeping space, foldable solar panels for off-grid power, and a kitchenette that tucks away seamlessly when not in use. Under the hood, Toyota is expected to push its hybrid and electric powertrains to new heights. The 2026 motorhome van might feature a next-generation hydrogen fuel cell system paired with a plug-in hybrid engine, offering drivers the flexibility of zero-emission driving for short trips and extended range for cross-country adventures. Early concept sketches hint at aerodynamic improvements, including a sloping roofline and retractable side mirrors, which could boost fuel efficiency by up to 20% compared to traditional motorhomes. Tech enthusiasts will love the integration of Toyota's latest AI-driven systems. The van could come equipped with a smart navigation system that not only plans routes based on traffic and weather but also suggests scenic stops, campgrounds, and EV charging stations. Safety is another priority, with rumors of 360-degree cameras, collision avoidance tailored for larger vehicles, and even a camping mode that monitors external surroundings overnight, alerting occupants to potential hazards like wildlife or changing weather conditions. Sustainability is a key theme for the 2026 model. Toyota might use recycled materials for interior finishes, such as seats made from upcycled plastics and cabinetry constructed from bamboo composites. The roof could house solar panels capable of generating enough energy to power appliances and climate control systems, reducing reliance on generators. Water conservation features, like greywater recycling and low-flow fixtures, might also make this motorhome a favorite among eco-conscious travelers. The interior is where the magic truly happens. Leaked design patents show a transformable living space with magnetic modular furniture. By day, the van could function as a mobile office with a fold-out desk and Starlink-compatible internet connectivity. By night, the same space converts into a bedroom with ambient lighting and climate zones to keep everyone comfortable. Toyota is also rumored to partner with smart home companies, allowing voice-controlled adjustments to lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems via Alexa or Google Assistant. For adventurers, the 2026 motorhome van might include rugged upgrades like all-terrain tires, reinforced undercarriage plating, and an adaptive suspension system that adjusts to rough roads. There's talk of a weatherproof mode that seals the cabin during storms and an outdoor shower attachment for post-hike cleanup. Storage solutions could be revolutionary, with hidden compartments under the floor and a rear cargo area designed to fit bikes, kayaks, or even a small motorcycle. Pricing and availability remain under wraps, but industry analysts predict a starting range of $120,000 to $150,000, depending on the trim level and customization options. Toyota is likely to target both solo travelers and families, with lease-to-own programs and partnerships with camping networks to offer exclusive perks for buyers. Pre-orders might open in late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early 2026. While Toyota hasn't confirmed these details, the buzz around the 2026 motorhome van reflects a growing demand for versatile, sustainable RVs. If even half of these features make it to production, this vehicle could redefine what it means to travel off the grid. From its hybrid powertrain to its AI-powered amenities, it's poised to become the ultimate companion for road trippers who refuse to compromise on comfort or adventure. Note asterisk. Since this script is speculative, always verify claims against Toyota's official announcements once details are released. For authenticity, pair the voiceover with visuals of Toyota's past motorhome concepts, hybrid technology demonstrations, and renders of futuristic RV interiors. Adjust tone to match your channel's style, enthusiastic, laid back, or tech-focused.